Take it away.
I found the love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found the girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you hold in mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. Well, listening to our favorite song, I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. No, I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Judges?
Always.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope that song was dedicated to me. You won't give me yes, but you won't give me, I won't give you yes. Oh.
Yes, but as long as your husband doesn't steal me something.
No, the guy with the guitar. I love your performance.
Thank you.
I love that you were able to do your own thing. Though not your own song, but you did it your own way with your guitar. I love your performance. Good song choice for you. I didn't think you could do anything other than your normal country, you know. I was surprised when I heard you take this up. So it's a yes from me.
Thank you.
Always.
Yes, sir.
I'm jealous. I am jealous. Let me tell you why I'm jealous. I had the chance to learn to play a musical instrument. I lost it. Someone is standing before me who is a musician and a singer. I am jealous. I like what you did. Yeah? I'm not saying this because you're about the first person who has come here and played a musical instrument. It only tells us that you have talent. Singing talent, musical talent. There are two different things, you know. Good. You have a yes from me.
2 yeses.
I love your choice of song. You chose a song that has a standard, and somewhat you need to sing up to that standard. That song, otherwise you wouldn't get those of us who love the song so much impressed. You tried to do that song in your own way, which is okay. That's what we call creativity. We call that creativity. It's good enough. But because I've listened to that song over and over, I had it at a point as my ringtone because it's a song I love very much. I wasn't completely impressed with how you did the song. So, for me, in as much as I would want to say otherwise, I can't help, my spirit still says a no. It's a no for me.
You already have 2 yeses. And then I'm sure your fans will vote for you, so that shouldn't bother you. Thank you very much. Keep your votes coming in. It's only your votes that will bring your favorite contestant out.